Now we shall do certain MCQs on the animal diversity too, the most important questions which are likely to appear in AFMC, JIPMAR, AIMS, APMT, EAMCET, so on and so forth. Here is the first question. I shall read the question for you. Ventral mouth is seen in A. Scoliodon, B. Petromyzon, C. Cutla, D. Salamandra. Dear students, you know very well that the ventral mouth is the characteristic feature of all chondrichthyes. Okay. The terminal mouth is a characteristic feature of osteichthyes, while ventrally situated mouth is a characteristic feature of chondrichthyes. So among these you have to pick up the fish that belongs to chondrichthyes. Among these, Scoliodon, which is commonly called dogfish, belongs to chondrichthyes, you know. So first question, so answer is A, Scoliodon. Now the question number 2, in Scoliodon the teeth are modified. A. Fins, B. Placoid scales, C. Tinoid scales, D. Cycloid scales. In all chondrichthyes now, the placoid scales form the exoskeleton. They are modified even into teeth. Tridentate spine like teeth are present here now. So the second question answer is B. Second question correct answer is B, that is placoid scales. Now question number 3, I shall read the question for you. Chondrichthyes members have to swim continuous because they A. live in seas, B. live in fresh water, C. have no air bladder, D. have air bladder. Here they have to swim continuously in water because they don't have air bladder here now. In all chondrichthyes, air bladder is absent, the organ of buoyancy is absent. So if they stop swimming even for a while, they may sink due to the absence of air bladder. But however, in cartilage fish now, the fins are elevators like, their pectoral pelvic fins act as gliders or elevator like structures. At the same time, because of cartilaginous endoskeleton, the body weight is less. That's why they manage to swim in water even without air bladder. So third question correct answer is they have no air bladder. So third question correct answer is C, they have no air bladder. Now question number 4 you have. The incorrect set is, I shall read out the options for you. A. Torpedo, electric organ. B. Trigon, poison sting. C. Carcharodon, claspers on pelvic fins. D. Beta, no operculum. Here torpedo and narcine, both of them are called electric rays. Both of them have electric organs which are the modified pectoral muscles or dorsal muscles. Trigon is commonly called stingray. It has got a pectoral fin with a poisonous sting. That is correct. Carcharodon carcharinus is a shark now. White shark it is commonly called. In all sharks now, claspers are present on the pelvic fin. That is also correct. So betta is a bony fish. It is with operculum. So fourth question correct answer is D. Now fifth question you have. Which of the following is not a feature of osteichthyes? A. air bladder, B. operculum, C. cycloid tenoid scales, D. claspers. All bony fish are characterized with the presence of air bladder. Most of them have air bladder which acts as organ of buoyancy. All of them are characterized by the presence of operculum. 4 pairs of gills are present and gills are filiform and they are covered by operculum. And the exoskeleton in bony fish is formed by either cycloid scales or tenoid scale. That is also correct. Claspers are absent in bony fish. Claspers are the modified pelvic fins present only in cartilage fish. They are absent in bony fish. So fifth question correct answer is D. So sixth question, I shall read out the question for you. Correct one of the following is A. Calatus tree lizard, B. chameleon garden lizard, C. Chelone tortoise, D. Bungarus crate. Calatus lives in gardens, you know. It is a garden lizard. It's not a tree lizard. It is a garden lizard. Chameleon lives on the branches of trees. It is a tree lizard. So that is also wrong. Chelone medas, it lives in water. Usually the marine water are called turtles. The fresh water are called terrapins. So Chelone medas is sea turtle, green edible turtle. So it is wrong. And the last one, D, if you see, Bangaras cray, that is the correct option. So 6th question correct answer is D. Now 7th question here now, structures that supplement respiration in birds are A. lungs, B. air bladder, C. air sacs, D. trachea. Now in birds, in aves, lungs do not have alveoli. Okay, air capillaries are the seats of exchange of gases in birds now. And the lungs are associated with 9 air sacs, a pair of cervical, a pair of antithoracic, a pair of posterior-thoracic, a pair of abdominal, and an interclavicular air sac. These air sacs supplement the process of respiration in birds now by bringing about double respiration, by acting as thermoregulatory devices, by acting as buoyancy, organs of buoyancy. So for the 7th question, correct answer is C, air sacs. Now question number 8, golden age of fish is A. Mesozoic era, B. Cenozoic era, C. Devonian period, D. Carboniferous period. Now Mesozoic is the golden age of reptiles, Cenozoic is the golden age of mammals, Devonian is the golden age of fish, Carboniferous is the golden age of amphibia. So 8th question correct answer is C, Devonian period. 9th question here now, I should read the question for you. Chondrichthyes are A. ammonotelic, B. leucotelic, C. guanotelic, D. ureotelic. The chondrichthyes are ureotelic here now because they live in marine water and they live in hypertonic medium. Because of that, they are likely to undergo exosmosis process. If exosmosis occurs, they may die of dehydration here now. They may shrink and die. So to overcome this process, they convert ammonia into urea, store urea in their blood in a considerable quantity so that concentration of blood increases to the extent of concentration of marine water. So to maintain isoosmosity with the surrounding water, all chondrichthyes eliminate urea as a principal nitrogenous waste. They are aquatic, hence they are referred to as ureotelic. They eliminate only excess urea in the form of urine here now. So 9th question correct answer is D, ureotelic. Now question number 10, caudal fin in lungfish is A. protocircle, B. heterocircle, C. difficircle, D. homocircle. Now in all lungfish, Latimeria cholumnae, that is living fossil of fish, in all of them the caudal fin is difficircle. The caudal fin is difficircle. In difficircle caudal fin here now, the caudal fin may be lobed or non-lobed here now, but this VC, vertebral column, extends up to the tip. In all lungfish, okay, and Latimeria cholumnae, which is commonly called living fossil of fish, in all of them the caudal fin is difficircle. Difficircle means the vertebral column extends up to base of the caudal fin. Vertebral column extends up to base of the caudal fin. It doesn't extend up to the tip. Suppose it extends up to the tip, it is called protocircle. It extends only up to the base, and caudal fin may be lobed or non-lobed. For instance, you take Latimeria cholumnae, it is trilobed here now. Okay, in most of the lungfish here now it is non-lobed here now. So like that, if the criteria for calling it difficircle is the vertebral column extends up to only the base of the caudal fin. Such kind of caudal fin is called difficircle caudal fin. So all lungfish are characterized by the presence of difficircle caudal fin. So 10th question correct answer is C. So caudal fin in lungfish is difficircle. Now question number 11. In torpedo, electric organs are modified. A. Scales, B. Muscles, C. Teeth, D. Fins. Now in torpedo, which is commonly called electric ray here now, and narcine, there is another electric ray. In both of them, the electric organs are the modified pectoral muscles. The electric organs are the modified pectoral muscles or dorsal muscles you call them. So 11th question correct answer is B. Muscles are modified into electric organs here now. Now question number 12 we have, male has a brood pouch in A. kangaroo, B. frog, C. hippocampus, D. penguin. Now this hippocampus is characterized by the presence of brood pouch. Instead of female carrying brood pouch, here male has a brood pouch here now, in which it carries eggs till they hatch, and both male and female have prehensile tail, highly coiled watch spring like tail. Then they have a rostrum which is at right angles to the body. The entire body is covered by bony scutes, and unlike all the other fish, hippocampus swims vertically in water and it's commonly called seahorse. So these are all the unique characteristic features of hippocampus. So as per this question, male has a brood pouch in hippocampus. So 12th question correct answer is C, hippocampus. Now question number 13, type of blood circulation in amphibians is A, complete double, B, single, C, incomplete double, D, both C, A and C. Now in amphibians, heart is 3-chambered. It has got 2 atria and 1 ventricle here now. Due to presence of a single ventricle, mixing of pure and impure takes place in the ventricle to form mixed blood. So it has got 3 kinds of blood. Towards the right side of the ventricle there is impure blood, middle part of the ventricle there is pure mixed blood, towards the left side there is pure blood here now. So as per this question, the correct answer is C, incomplete double circulation. Complete double circulation is noticed in birds and mammals. Incomplete double circulation is noticed in amphibians and reptiles. Single circulation is noticed in cyclostomes and fish. So 13th question correct answer is C, incomplete double circulation. 14th question, here is the question. I shall read out the question for you. In amphibians, A, RBCs are enucleated. B, no hepatic portal system. C, unpaired atria. D, paired aortic arches occur. Now amphibians, RBCs are enucleated, that is wrong here now. Only in mammals RBCs are enucleated. In all other vertebrates RBCs are nucleated. No hepatic portal system. Amphibians well developed. As a matter of fact, in all vertebrates hepatic portal system is well developed. Renal portal system is reduced in birds and absent in mammals, but hepatic portal system is present in all vertebrates. Unpaired atria, it is also wrong, because as I made a mention just now, in amphibia atria are paired and paired aortic arches occur. Okay, so in amphibians paired aortic arches occur, that is correct here now, because this truncus arteriosus divides into 2 aortic arches, right aortic arch and left aortic arch. So paired aortic arches is correct, that is correct. So 14th question correct answer is D. 15th question, a little question for you. Columella aureus in amphibians is A, cranial bone, B, blood vessel, C, middle ear ossicle, D, hind limb bone. In all lower vertebrates, that is in amphibians and then reptiles and birds, in all of them, middle ear contains a single bone which is called columella aureus. It helps in transmitting sound vibrations from the tympanum to internal ear. It is a modified hyomandibular bone. It is a modified hyomandibular bone. Whereas in mammals, mammals and human being, middle ear contains malleus, incus and stapes, whereas in all other vertebrates, it is a columella aureus that acts as an ear ossicle, modified hyomandibular bone here now. So 15th question correct answer is C, middle ear ossicle. 16th question here now. Among vertebrates, all of the following features are seen first in reptiles. A, true terrestrial nature. B, amniotic eggs. C, cladoic eggs. D, viviparity. Among vertebrates, all of the following characters are seen first in reptiles. Okay, true terrestrial nature. Of course, they are truly terrestrial. Okay, because amphibians are partially terrestrial and partially aquatic. Amniotic, eggs are amniotic type. Okay, because amphibia, reptilia onwards, the eggs are cladoic or amniotic type here now. Okay, that is, they are provided with a shell, at the same time they are provided with extra embryonic membranes here now. Okay, then cladoic eggs are also noticed for the first time. Viviparous nature, it is not the first form character, because in amphibia there are some which are viviparous, in fish there are viviparous. So among all of the following features, okay, the one which is not seen for the first time in reptiles is viviparous nature. The character which is not seen first time in reptiles. So the question is like this here now. I shall read out the question for you, dear students. Among vertebrates, all of the following features are seen first time except the following. So which one is not seen first time here now? Viviparous nature. So 16th question correct answer is D, viviparous condition, that is not noticed for the first time in reptiles here now.